Hey everyone, welcome to Tech Processors. So in this video, we are going to explain you about OnePlus Nord 2 5G smartphone. So let's get started. So yesterday was the launch event of OnePlus in which they presented their Nord 2 5G smartphone in a very cinematic and dramatic way. As of you guys who have seen it will realize it that they presented in a very cinematic way. So anyways, let's dive into its specifications and how it can perform. So talking about the color variants that are available is here is a green wood color and gray Syrah color and blue haze color. So these are the three color variations that you can choose. Now talking about the performance, it is equipped with MediaTek Dimensity 1200 AI processor. It gives you three options to choose from for RAM, either 6GB, 8GB or 12GB. So you can choose from it, and also two options for storage. It is 128GB or 256GB. Now talking about the display, it is equipped with Fluid AMOLED display of 6.43 inch and which has refresh rate of 90 Hz. Now talking about the camera, it is equipped with Sony IMX766 of 50 megapixel camera, which is very good. Now the overall performance is quite good, and the electronic components which is equipped with the OnePlus Nord 2 is also fine. You can see more of the specifications on your screen. So as you can see, there are various information displayed, so you can read one by one. So that's it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Like, share and subscribe if you want. Thanks for watching.